Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm V, and on today's video I am going to be sharing with you what I got for my birthday. So my birthday was last month in October. Actually, that's my favorite month of the year, of course. But yeah guys, I wanted to share with you what I got. Couldn't film this video before, but I really hope that you like it. And yeah guys, of course I did buy some other stuff like clothing, but as for luxury, this is everything that I got. So I really hope that you enjoy it, and without further ado, let's jump into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Hermes. I got two things from Hermes. One of these items was on my wish list and the other one was not. So let's unbox. I actually don't know which one it is, but let's see. Okay, so this one was the one that was on my wish list. And to reveal, this is actually my favorite belt from Hermes, and probably ever, because I just love that it can be adjustable. So I love this one. It was a little bit hard for me to find this one because my SA only offered it to me in silver hardware. So I decided to go ahead and I bought this one. It was pre-loved, but actually it's in pristine, well, brand new condition. It still has the stickers on, and this was sent to me from Singapore. I bought it from a fellow Instagram friend, and yeah guys, I am beyond happy with this beautiful belt. Of course I wanted it for spring and summer, but I think I can still use this one year around. So this is the first item that I got, and yeah, you know how much I love belts. So I think with this one I complete my Kelly belt collection. And let's move on with the next Hermes item that I got. And it is, here's a dust bag. It is another belt. So I wanted something in the color chai, and this is it. So I bought this belt, which has this other color on the other side. I don't know the name of this color, but I'm gonna link everything below. And for example, I'm wearing my biscuit belt. I don't know if you can tell the difference of the colors. So I believe the biscuit, it's a little bit more yellow, and the chai color, it's a little bit more like beige, like with a more brown undertone or more pink undertone. I'm not pretty sure how to describe it. Probably you can't see much difference. It's actually very similar, but yeah, it has a little bit of a difference. So this is a chai, and I wanted something, where is it? Here it is. I wanted something a little bit different, and I decided to go for the release buckle. Anyways, I'm gonna link everything below because probably I'm butchering the names. But yeah, this is how it looks. I think it's super gorgeous, and I just love it. I'm so in love with Hermes belts lately, but especially these ones that are more understated. I mean, these are statement pieces, but you know, you cannot read a brand or anything like that. So only if you know the brand, you will know that this is an Hermes belt. So I think this is very beautiful. I love it, and I love that it's a little bit bigger, because as for the thinner belts that I already have from Hermes, I have like smaller buckles. This is more like a statement piece, I think, but I think it's very elegant and beautiful. So what do you guys think? Also, I think it's like a very modern style. I love it, and this color is actually very beautiful. So it's definitely a color that I will use, and it's actually a color that I do have in my wardrobe. So yeah, so this is the next piece that I got from Hermes. And another thing that I got for my birthday was the iPhone 14 Pro. I'm very happy. Actually, I'm filming with it, so let me know if you see a difference in this video. But let me tell you that I see a lot of difference in the camera. I think the definition is you know, it's higher. We have the 11 Pro, so this is the 14 Pro. I always like the small size. I don't like the bigger size because it's too big for my hands and it won't fit in all of my bags. So this is the perfect size, and it's a little bit bigger than the one that I used to have before, but it's perfect. And I just love the definition of the camera. Okay, so let's move on with the most interesting part of this video from Fendi. I'm very excited. Actually, this item was not on my wish list, but definitely was on my radar for a really long time. Now that I changed my phone, I was scrolling and, you know, erasing some of my some pictures and stuff, and I saw this item several times in my gallery, so definitely was something on my radar. Okay, it was kind of like an impulse purchase because I was not planning to buy it, but you know, I fell in love with it and I decided to jump. So to reveal, maybe you can see what it is already, but yeah, I got the beautiful Peekaboo. This is in the mini size, and the color, I'm not sure the name of it, I'm gonna link it, but I'm amazed. I love this. I love the color. It's super beautiful. This shade of beige is just amazing, and it's actually the same shade of beige as the biscuit from Hermes, or very, very similar, very close color. This one has gold hardware. As you may already know, I prefer gold hardware over silver, but let me tell you that, I don't know, some things are, you know, like catching my eye with silver hardware, but yeah, I prefer gold. I think it goes better with my, you know, my hair, my skin tone and everything. Yeah, so it comes with this strap. This strap is very, very comfortable because it is quite thick. You can shorten it. No, I don't know if you can shorten it, but definitely you can adjust it. So here I put it in the smaller setting. Well, I still have one more, and perfect for crossbody. And I'm gonna add some mud shorts, of course, with this baby here. I love that these bags comes with a raincoat, which is amazing. And I just wanted to show you a little bit of the inside of the bag, because as you can see, as you may already know, Peekaboo is known because of their interiors. They changed the interiors, so you can, you know, see the inside of the bag and find something interesting. So this one has a fabric. I don't know if, I think I can open here. It has this beautiful fabric with the Suka print in cotton, which kind of like, I think it's gonna be hard maintenance because the color is very light, so probably can get stained easily. Hopefully not. This one feels like suede. It's leather, and so yeah, this one as well, and it's also cotton. So I'm gonna have to be very, very careful with this one because it can get stained really easily. The interior is quite delicate, but yeah, I didn't mind, or I don't know, probably didn't think about it. This was kind of like an impulse purchase, but I love it. I love the color. I wanted something in this shade of beige in my collection because usually the beige bags that I have are more like nude, or yeah, different tone. So I love it. I'm in love with this one, and I think it's super classic. It also has 4 feet on the bottom, and I just love it. What do you guys think? Okay, so this one only comes with a zipper pocket in here, which is quite small. You know, maybe just to put your cards or something like that, because it's very tight. It also has a plate that says Fendi. I can't read what it says right now, but you know, here it has a plate. Here on the other side, it only has this slip pocket in here, which is also very tight. So yeah. Then the strap has these clasps, which are very beautiful. It says Fendi over here. Also here, it says Fendi. And here, I don't know if you can tell. So yeah, and of course in the closure, this is the way it looks closed. It still has the stickers on. It says Fendi. I also like how it looks closed. And of course in here it says, it has the logo, the double F from Fendi. Yeah, guys, I'm very excited. So here it is. It also has Fendi engraved here and here. It has a lot of details, and I think Fendi has great designs. Of course, this one is a classic, and you can never go wrong with a Peekaboo. I love the smaller size. I love the mini size. This is a mini. I know Fendi doesn't have the resale value, and probably this is much less than what I paid for, you know, right now, just by taking it out of the store. But let me tell you something, guys. I do not buy my bags to resell them in the future. Of course, if you don't want something, or at least that's what I do, if I don't want something anymore, I don't use it, or it's not you know, it doesn't suit my style or it's not for me, I sell those bags. But I buy to the things that I really, really love, and you know, to actually use them. I absolutely love this bag. I think it's modern, it's very contemporary, I think it's very elegant, very classic. You cannot go wrong with this kind of bag. Of course, it resembles me a lot to the Kelly from Hermes. You know, the shape of it. I also think that if you know the brand, you will know that this is a Fendi bag, but otherwise, if you don't know the brand, it's just a very beautiful, elegant, classy leather bag. But you know, it's not screaming Fendi. So I love that. And I just wanted to show you guys, I have, this is my other peekaboo. This is the iconic Essentially Peekaboo. This is the smaller size of this style. I love this bag. I think it's super beautiful. As you can see, this bag is a little bit more relaxed, I think. Even though it's structured, it's more relaxed than this one, and it's also a little bit bigger. Yeah, these are my two peekaboos. They are very, well, here it's more similar, but they are very different. As you can see, also the hardware is different. Of course, the closure is the same. They both have feet on the bottom. The sides are more similar, but I think this one is more like structured than this one. So for me, this one gives me like a more relaxed vibe, and this one it's a little bit more elegant in my opinion. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna add some mud shots to show you how this baby looks on me. Remember that I'm just 5 feet tall, so I'm very petite. My frame is very, very petite. Most of the times, or I mean all the time, the bags look bigger on me because I am very, very, very petite. You have no idea. Sometimes the camera, I don't know, maybe it doesn't show it like it is in real life. But yeah, imagine that this is a mini size and it looks like a medium-sized bag, comparing, you know, with my frame. But yeah, I just love it, you guys. What do you guys think? I'm very excited. I just can't wait to style this bag. And if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. I have daily posts for, you know, I do a lot of, you know, outfit of the day. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that my style is pretty casual, but I always like to look, you know, classy. Go ahead and check my Instagram account. I'm pretty sure you will find interesting things in there. And yeah, guys, I'm very, very happy to finally add this back to my collection, since my Kelly 25 has not been offered to me yet. But yeah, I think it's gonna be offered to me pretty soon. I was hoping that it was offered to me by my birthday, which didn't happen, but I still have faith. So yeah, guys, fingers crossed, I will do that unboxing very, very soon. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload a video. And comment in the section down below, what do you guys think? Do you like the peekaboo? I think Fendi is, you know, I don't know, I think sometimes it's underrated, but I think they have really great designs and also very timeless. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you to my next one. Bye, guys.